Meaning of hutch.
hutch,
Hutch.
hutch,
Hutch. The word hutch has several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. The most common meaning refers to a small storage compartment or container, often used for holding rabbits or other small animals. It can also refer to an enclosure used for confining chickens or other livestock. In addition, hutch can mean a low piece of furniture used for storage, such as a sideboard or chest. Overall, hutch is a versatile word that can be used to describe a variety of small containers or enclosures for animals or objects.